wanna play my DJ. I wanna rap it. Play my blood clot DJ. I'm a shot selector boy.
What's good, YouTube gang? You don't know Jambisco here with another banger, you know, guys. Yo, we're back in the lab today, guys. You feel me? See what we deal with it. We're back with another Trench Tales reaction. Yeah, man, I appreciate channel Trench, the channel Trench Tales. They come with really interesting stories. You know what I'm saying? The story be well told, information be accurate for most part. You know what I'm saying? And you just dope entertainment videos, man. And today I'm coming with another banger for y'all, man. Today we're checking out the $4 million lifestyle of Popcaan. You see me? Yeah, man, Popcaan, definitely one of Jamaica's and dancehall biggest icons in a minute. Other than the World Boss, other than Cartel and Movado. Yeah, for the new generation, definitely. Yo, Popcaan put in his work, man. Popcaan did put his work for dancehall. At one point, man, when Cartel just got jail and everybody was lazy, yeah, Popcaan was carrying dancehall on his back. You feel me? But yeah, man, Dow definitely put in his work, man, and then reached superstar status. Definitely made a lot of links for other artists and definitely put in the work for the culture, man. You know what I'm saying? So Popcaan deserve everything you have, even though people got them little, you know, call him a snitch, all type of stuff, saying they sell out, all type of stuff, but he definitely put his work for the culture, and you can't take that away from him. You know what I'm saying? Dog make multiple hits, got multiple projects that reach Billboard, so he definitely put in his work, man. So today we're gonna check out this from Trench. This is the $4 million lifestyle of Popcaan. Yes, I'm pretty sure Popcaan should have more than $4 million by now, but $4 million is still a lot of money for a lot of y'all. You know what I'm saying? For a lot of us, still a lot of money, dog. So big up Popcaan. You see me? Yeah, man, and you deserve everything you have, my G. But here we're checking out the $4 million lifestyle of Popcaan. We're gonna see what's going on. Say, dog, living. You see me? See if him dream come true. Cause I remember say all of this is a dream, you know. Dream. See if you know what I'm saying. See, dog, living. See lifestyle and just check out and, you know, have some fun, man, and just hang out. So let's jump right in. This is the $4 million lifestyle of Popcaan. Let's get it.
Get ready to be captivated by the buzz surrounding Popcaan, the sensational artist who had everyone talking in 2023.
I ain't gonna lie, it ain't Popcaan, but hey, I guess that's as good as it can do.
This Jamaican-born singer has taken the music scene by storm and is rumored to possess a jaw-dropping fortune of approximately $4 million as reported by Celebrity Net Worth. When you've got that kind of cash, you can't resist pampering yourself with a sprinkle of luxury and splurging on a few lavish treats from time to time. Brace yourself for a glimpse into the affluent world of Popcaan. Popcaan's real estate holdings are truly remarkable, and his collection of cars alone is valued at over $500,000, making them unattainable dreams for average individuals. He has also expressed his intentions of expanding his jewelry collection and actively emphasizes the significance of financial literacy by making investments.
What's her name? Something and is it Tonya? It's not Tonya. What's her name? Tonian. Yeah, Tonian Singh, right? Yeah, that's her name. Yeah, man, she a baddie. She a baddie. I thought it was Lori Harvey for some. I said, well, I don't know, man. Can't bright up herself. Lori Harvey on the panel woman level. You see me? Yeah, man, we can't, sorry, missing, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, Miss Jamaica, Miss World. Shout out to Popcaan.
And venturing into business endeavors.
Popcaan won with that one. I ain't gonna count.
Popcaan has a bunch of expensive chains from
big W. You see me? If you know where Popcaan come from, bro. You see me? Popcaan used to have a little plaid shirt, them and a little snapback at them. How far Popcaan come from, you know? Big one thing. Yo, where that come from? St. Mary, St. Thomas. How far Popcaan come from? You see me? You see me? People when Carter got jail, people call him sellout, snitch, all type of these things. You see me? Enough people that was in the same crew stopped making music. For instance, Black Rhino, well, he didn't stop making, he just got lazy. Cause a lot of people, if you don't know, Black Rhino is supposed to be where Popcaan at, bro. Cause Black Rhino, in Pomeramp, everybody was behind Black Rhino. Black Rhino already chown them. You see me? But after Carter got jail and all type thing, and there's rumors niggas get boxed up and all thing. You know what I'm saying? Popcaan, Black Rhino got lazy, Da Vinci got lazy. You see me? But Popcaan just kept grinding, keep dropping music. No matter what anybody else say, keep on to drop music, keep on to drop. Then Da Vinci down, after a while, you see Popcaan grew and go, he started dropping music, but he never on the same level, never the same consistency as Popcaan. And then Black Rhino, every now and then he drop a tune, but bro, we all kept consistent, they would have been on the same level, if not higher, than where Popcaan is. You know what I'm saying? But Yeah, but when everybody went Cartel got jail, man, and people are ready to take Popcaan just kept dropping music. Kept dropping music. Party shot, empty. Open at the club, we gone again. The road have to take on, can't get close. Bro, you remember that? Bro, that little era there, that was all Popcaan. You see me? It may not be for long, maybe a year or 2, 3, maybe 4. But that was straight Popcaan holding up, especially up here in the States, man. Popcaan was holding up dancehall with a blood-clad broomstick, whatever you want to call it. You see me, dog, catch up dancehall so everybody get lazy. Big motherfucker was being lazy. You know what I'm saying, man? Drop I'm So Special. Every now and then you can drop a one tune. I'm so special. Bro, I never understood. I hated that song. Not to hate on Mavado, but I hated that song. Could not stand that shit. I don't know how that shit made it to like beat and all that. But hey, to each your own. But yeah, for all that time, it was Popcaan kind of holding up dancehall. And people need to remember that. Yeah, man, a lot of artists, they get the lazy when Cartel. When Cartel just drop a jail, Cartel wasn't dropping songs, a little bit after him settling at jail, he started drop tune from behind bars. People gotta remember that. Remember that little when Cartel just got out of jail and he got you in trial, he wasn't dropping music. And in trial and everything settling in their jail, now he started drop tune from behind bars. But during that time, a Popcaan, bro. Popcaan, I hold up dancehall, man, I drop tune every week like a Cartel, you know what I mean? And every month, while everybody got lazy and lazy, it's like everybody say, if Cartel there, no, competition there, but Popcaan just kept going. And man, grow, make links with Drakes and other artists. But yeah, man, let's get it.
From the past lying around, and he's actually adding more to his collection right now. I mean, he's worth a whopping $4 million. Are you curious about how Popcaan earned all that money and what exciting things he might do with it? Well, then we've got you covered. Here's an exclusive sneak peek into Popcaan's extravagant $4 million lifestyle. But first, please leave a like and subscribe if you are new. Let's take a quick look at how he actually earned all his wealth. Back in 2006, Popcaan faced a setback when he failed his military exam. However, he turned this disappointment into a positive opportunity. In 2007,
So the unruly boss. Unruly boss tried to join the army, yard. So the unruly boss try to become ruly. Oh, God. He try to become behave.
decided to pursue music and joined Vybz Kartel's Gaza empire. Where he quickly became one of the top stars. Surprisingly, he earned a decent amount of money during that time. It's clear that Popcaan hasn't forgotten his humble...
Look how far Popcaan come from, bro. You see me? That's having here like this. You know, with them 5 people looking sheen, yeah. And I still for them still, no, boy, you know? 5 people look for the man Julie now, though.
Beginnings, as he often reminisces about the days when his family had to buy affordable food like sardines and rice from the local convenience store. As Popcaan's first mixtape gained popularity, he began to earn his initial paychecks from entertaining. Based on our ballpark estimates, he was likely making somewhere around $500 to $1,000 per show.
I just realized,
roughly.
I didn't have Popcaan. Popcaan a big star, you know? If I can afford them, man, because did they, well, wait, was Alkaline at, how can I never there some face, did he?
A year after releasing his first mixtape, Popcaan released a track called Only Man She Want, which has now racked up over 30 million views as of this recording. The success of this song was a complete game changer and completely transformed his life. After achieving success, Popcaan's show price is most likely
only what you want, Janaya, the only what you want. Yo, that song. That shit had the girl in that choke hole lag. You see me? Yeah, man. The girl used to love the song. They
tripled, and he likely earned a substantial amount of money from streaming numbers too. The tremendous success of his first studio album, Where We Come From, caught the attention of numerous record labels attempting to sign him for...
You know, if you want a reaction to this album, man, that was a great album. We talk them about forget the don't plan how we come from, yeah. We talk them don't worry about pagan, cause we just didn't plan. Live life. That was a good album, bro. And that song was a big track, bro. I play the song, listen to me, tired of the song there. Shit.
For millions of dollars. However, Popcaan had already signed with Vybz Kartel's Gaza music empire. Although the exact amount remains undisclosed, we can assume it was likely a deal worth several $1 million. However, this decision resulted in him not retaining ownership of the masters to most of his songs. Currently, the majority of his songs from that time are still owned by VP Music Records, founded by Randy Chin.
Alright, this the shit I can't stand though, bro. Why are these motherfuckers right here, bro? Alright, because of the fro, you look like a blackish. But why all these white and Chinese people, bro? Them for move up, man. Move up, bro. We need some black one thing, dog. I Jamaica, bro. Real shit, some black Jamaicans owning these music. Dog. Man.
The other owner of his records is Dre Skull, the founder of Mixpac Music Group.
Okay, another white
This is a
man.
significant mistake made by artists, especially early in their careers. Popcaan had some notable hits like Everything Nice, and I Know There's Gonna Be a Good Time featuring Young Thug and Jamie Foxx. In 2015, after leaving Vybz Kartel's Gaza empire following Kartel's murder conviction, Popcaan collaborated with Drake on the hit song Controlla. This collaboration stirred controversy in Jamaican culture when Drake released his fourth studio album, Views, without including Popcaan's version of the song. Dancehall fans were upset, accusing Drake of cultural appropriation.
Yeah,
In response, Drake immediately signed Popcaan to his music label, OV.
Nah, dog, that's not what we wanted, buddy. That's not what we wanted. That's not what we wanted. It's still culture vulture. We want the blood clean tune on the album. But you don't want to show the artists them respect and put them on the album. You see me I say? Yeah. Yeah, we didn't want that, brother. Man, Control shall be on the album, bro. I love
EO
that.
Records, and they have since
that Drake
collaborated
album,
on
bro,
numerous
and I
hits
was
like
pissed.
Twist and Turn, All I Need.
I think he took off Popcaan and put on one with Beanie Man. You see me? Which I can kind of understand, because take yourself, if you're not Jamaican and looking from the outside in, Beanie Man would be the bigger artist. Yeah, Beanie Man would be the bigger artist. The reason why, because Beanie Man is a Grammy winning artist. You see me? So if you was a blow artist from Jamaica and you come up and try to do a song, right? Who would you want to do a song with? Would you want to do a song with Grammy winning Jay-Z or Bumbleclad or fucking Kodak? Why Kodak is hot, you know? You see me? We know everybody is Kodak, but Jay-Z is the Grammy winning artist, but you can go with Jay-Z because you probably grew up listening to Jay-Z. He's probably a legend in your eyes, you know what I'm saying? Which is the same reason why I'm saying, all right, you take off Popcaan and put on Beanie Man. I'm like, yeah, Popcaan, I'm a legend. Just boss what they are. Beanie Man a legend from years and years. But you have to remember them things, you know, so. Yeah, I was still kind of pissed though. But yeah, man, because I love that album. Views?
My Chargy, and currently their hit song, We Can't Done. Now that you have some background on Popcaan's career, let's dive into the exciting part. How much money he currently makes, and how he spends his impressive multi-million-dollar fortune. As of mid-2023, we estimate that Popcaan earns an average of $70,000 per show. Keep in mind that this
Whoa. Blood clot. Bumbo clot. Weird. What? Yo. Nigga. For real. Cause we always saying, you know, Jamaica at 30, 40, 50 grand, but 70K? Yeah, man, Popcaan worth it, man. Real shit. Popcaan worth 70K? Me see that. Especially in England, me see that. Yeah, man, me can see that. Them man we sell out stadium and arena. Me see that. Yeah, man.
This amount can vary since he can set his own performance fees. However, if he were to go on tour, this would likely be the approximate amount he would make for each show. It's worth mentioning that there are reports suggesting that Popcaan received a hefty payment of $150,000 and was provided with a private jet to perform at a festival in Toronto, Canada. Details about the
No. But wickedness increase now. 150 grand for your show, bro. Yeah, man. He has the pull. I know say he have a pulling power in a UK. Canada, yeah. He's never been to America, so yeah, we can't estimate. But yeah, man. Fuck, you know, man. Two most artists now come to America, you know. Why? Because Jamaican government is shit. You see me? When you come to get visa and thing them for the artists, they don't back them thing there, bro. And like other countries. See, I call Trinidad, and it's the reason why them money can rack up money fast, bro. As them boss, then get their visa and then can fly out. You see me? I say, for government no post well and either, they don't back the music, bro. They don't back the music. They don't feel like say, yo, the man, them a tell the artists, alright, we could guess what? Make visa and them thing there easier, and we can tax them for traveling for business and they don't think like that. You see me? They want to hold on and fight out the artists them, because most of them bad mind. You see me?
this arrangement are scarce, but apparently, Dwayne Hines, a promoter
Why
of
these politicians don't like that these artists is coming up and making more money than them, you know. Yeah, man, enough of them bad man, your fault.
the Kingston Music Festival flew Popcaan to Toronto and allegedly paid him a substantial six-figure sum. This was undoubtedly a rare opportunity for Popcaan, showcasing just how much an artist of his popularity can command for a single performance. In addition to live shows, it is estimated that he charges around $250,000 for a featured appearance on a song. Popcaan also generates a significant amount of income from streaming and record sales. Although the exact figures are not publicly available, his streaming numbers are impressive, indicating a substantial earning stream. It's worth emphasizing that most of his present music is under the ownership of Drake and his OVO sound label. Once again, Popcaan failed to secure ownership of his master recordings in the agreement with Drake. Overall, it is rumored that Popcaan's net worth is around $4 million, and it is estimated that he earns approximately $2 to $3 million per year at this stage of his career. With that kind of income, it's safe to assume that he resides in a comfortable and luxurious home, or at least he did in the past. These days, Popcaan keeps his real estate endeavors quite low-key, but it wasn't always that way. In 2020, during a performance in Ghana, he received such a warm reception from fans that he decided to invest in a massive mega mansion in the motherland.
Yeah,
the price tag for this luxurious property was a staggering $5.5 million. The unruly boss even criticized his colleague artists for only buying houses in Jamaica, as there are plenty of investment opportunities in Africa. As for his current residence, it remains unknown. However, Popcaan has expressed his appetite for investing in properties across multiple countries, along with his real estate holdings in Jamaica. Additionally, Popcaan has a fondness for cars. While his collection may not be as extensive as some other artists, it is still quite impressive. Let's start with the first car on the list, the 2020 Range Rover Evoque. You might think this is the car that Drake gifted him for his birthday, and you wouldn't be entirely wrong, but not entirely right either. Yes, Drake did gift Popcaan with a 2020 Range Rover Evoque, but it was the convertible version. Popcaan fell so in love with it that he ended up purchasing the hardtop version of the same car for himself. Popcaan bought the Range Rover for a whopping $80,000, which is quite impressive. The third car in his collection is the BMW.
And if y'all don't know, that's fucking $8 million Jamaican, bro. $8 million on a
BMW X4, also known as the Bima truck. This BMW is often mentioned in modern and historical dancehall music because of its iconic appearance and luxurious driving experience. It's considered one of the fastest and most expensive SUVs available in the market today. Popcaan supposedly spent about $60,000 on his BMW, and I'm almost certain that he has no regrets about that choice. The fourth car in his collection is the BMW M3, which he bought for $50,000. The fifth and final car is his BMW X3. It's interesting to note that this was his first purchase after making his smash hit Only Man She Want. It's safe to say it must have been on his wish list for quite some time. Please note these are not all of Popcaan's vehicles.
No, Popcaan up him thing now, cause Popcaan got shit like shit like spiders and four wheelers. You have new whips. You know what I'm saying? This nigga just so the man money up. That's why the dog just buy a construction company. You see me see dog buy a tractor trailer and chuck on them thing. So the man money up, bro. Popcaan money up. I'm telling you, because those are his old whips. Old whips, man. If you go right now, most of the time you see that go upon him four wheeler them, him spider them. You see me new whip them. You know what I'm saying? So we don't know. Yeah, Popcaan money up, bro. You have more money than that.
Just a few that we found interesting. Popcaan is really enthusiastic about jewelry, but he recently revealed that he invested $300,000 into a construction business in Jamaica. His recent purchase of an excavator shows his entrepreneurial side. He is involved in multiple business ventures, such as organizing concerts like Unruly Fest. He obviously knows the importance of making wise investments.
You need to bring back Unruly Fest. Unruly Fest was great. If y'all don't know, Unruly Fest was what? Bus artists like Quada and Jashi. That's where Jashi first got him look a bus as an artist. You see me? The funny thing is, the person that came first was actually a Rasta, but he might never actually. It was a clashing thing. The Rats come first, you see me? But he never have much star power. Then Quada was second, and I believe Josh was third. You feel me? So the Rats win. But funny enough, the Rats never get a music deal with Popcaan. He never bust and become an artist. The second place, Quada, getting for boss because Quada actually have like a star power and everything. So him get a little bus and Ray. And funny enough, no, Joshy, which came in third, is now the hottest artist out of all of them. You see me? So no, it's funny as shit. So Joshy actually plays third. Quada came second, but Quada and Joshy was the one that actually end up doing music. Because while the rest winning at the cashing, the rest never have much style and much, star power and pull like that. But Quada come out, and Quada, man, I was rooting for Quada so bad. I don't know what Quada fell off crazy, bro. Yes, me, I heard there was some little beef or some little thing, try this Popcaan type shit, but his career fell off. But Quada, man, Quada was an artist me that carry at one point. I see me, we know it's a Joshy that boss, but we don't know when, and Joshy finally boss, and Joshy is now one of the artists thing. Even though Joshy kind of caught up a little controversy at this time, but yeah, man, yeah.
And having a variety of different businesses, which will help maintain his income in the long run. But just because he's smart with his money doesn't mean that he doesn't spoil himself with a few pieces of bling. One significant piece of jewelry he has is the 876 good chain. This stunning piece is fully adorned with VVS diamonds and is rumored to have cost a whopping $125,000. The pendant alone, weighing around 1 kilo, is valued at approximately $75,000. It's a truly remarkable and valuable addition to Popcaan's jewelry collection. Now, let's dive into some more of Popcaan's jewelry collection. While he was in London, he treated himself to 2 special 876 good rings, custom made by the famous jewelers Harvey and Jacob Hudson, also known as the Kettle Kids. Although we don't have the exact price of these rings, there's no doubt that they are a fantastic addition to his collection. You can even spot these rings on Popcaan's current girlfriend's Instagram Live. His girlfriend Tony Ann Singh was former Miss Jamaica, so I guess we could even add that to one of his accomplishments. Another notable purchase by Popcaan was an icy gift for Drake's birthday in 2022. This piece is adorned with stuff.
No other Jamaican artist did it like this nigga. I ain't gonna cap to you. Yeah, see me? I ain't gonna cap to you, man. This man living a star lifestyle, bro. This man living like a star. Shout out to Popcaan. This nigga made it out, made it big. You feel me? I got him one of the baddest in the game, nigga. Bro, your girl is Miss World, nigga. That's like you getting Beyonce, my nigga. You see me? You see me? The closest thing you can get to a Miss World is a Beyonce. And the closest thing you can get to a Beyonce is a Miss World. You see me? Them one day is on a different level. Yeah, man.
Studded VVS diamonds and features a design combining the OVO logo with the Jamaican and Canadian flags. Its value allegedly exceeds Popcaan's 876 good chain, and some fans were even disappointed that he didn't get an additional chain for Vybz Kartel. While the exact price of this OVO chain is undisclosed, it's safe to say it wasn't cheap. Let's not forget Popcaan's cherished unruly chain, which holds sentimental value as one of his very first pieces of jewelry. It even served as the cover art for one of his albums. In addition to the chains, Popcaan also owns 2 stunning skeleton Cartier watches, each worth approximately $55,000.
Tell them say me richer than last year. Yeah, that's how everybody. That's why I dropped the song Skeleton Cartier.
He loves these watches so much that he dedicated an entire song to them. The combined value of the 2 watches was approximately $110,000. Additionally, Popcaan boasts an impressive collection of high-end designer clothing, including prestigious brands like YSL, Louis, Gucci, and many others. While the exact cost of his wardrobe remains undisclosed, it wouldn't be surprising if it exceeds $300,000 in value. When you're spending $500 on a single piece of clothing, the cost can quickly add up. In general, Popcaan lives a luxurious and extravagant lifestyle that many people aspire to have. And it's worth mentioning that the collection of assets we discussed is not all-inclusive. There are numerous other items that we haven't touched upon. As mentioned earlier, Popcaan is now prioritizing financial literacy and has toned down his online displays of wealth. However, that doesn't mean he doesn't occasionally indulge in private. In any case, we may never truly know the extent of his spending, but I hope Popcaan continues to thrive in his career. That concludes our overview of Popcaan's $4 million lifestyle. If you found this video informative and entertaining, please leave a like and subscribe. I plan to release similar videos every week, so feel free to comment below with suggestions for the next finance video.
It's been a month now, bro. We need a new video, bro.
Hey, YouTuber. What?
But yeah, man, shout out to Blood Plead, Popcaan, the unruly boss. You see me, I say, yeah, man, shout out Popcaan, man. Yo, Popcaan, yo, you did it all, man. You did it right. You came up. You see me? I'm saying, got richer. You see me? You did it, man. You came up. You came from far, dog. You see me? From a poor man to a rich man. The only thing about you not change, brother, is that fucking beard, my youth. You see me? You might get richer, but the beard, you still have a poor man beard, dog. I want to go on, dog. Bro, your whole career, me watch him and I say, if you're not going to fix up the beard, I want to go on, dog. No, man. Come on, man. Come on, man. Oh, you cut the hair and go just about the beard, though, dog. Something, man. Groom the beard. Cut it out, start over. Something for going on with the beard, man. The beard still look like you're poor. Well, shout out to Popcaan, though. You see me? I said that. You see me? You did your thing, man. You came far. You feel me? And you still going. You know, you still got far to go and you still doing your thing. So shout out to Popcaan. Definitely a big contributor to the culture. You see me? Definitely one of the best out of Gaza. Nobody can. You see me? Nobody can contest that. You see me? The unruly boss. Yeah, man. The unruly guy. Big up Popcaan, man. He did his thing. Put in the work for the culture. Took advantage of the opportunities that he has. You see me? Remain consistent and very hardworking. You know what I'm saying? Other artists make connections. Bro, Popcaan is a good word. Even artists who used to cuss him out and style him, you see Popcaan still can't work with. You see me? I say. Yeah, man, you see them come around and still try link with the dark after they say dark success. Even Javinci and the man, all the man is this Popcaan and know them work with the dog. You see me, Chronicle and all, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, man, so, yeah, man, big up Popcaan. You see me, even people are saying, man, still show love to Cartel and all these things, so, yeah, man, big up to Popcaan. Put in work for the culture, man, and it's really dope, man, so keep doing your thing, bro. We appreciate you, unruly boss. Keep doing your thing. Shoot for the stars. Don't stop, man. Guys, let me know what you think about the video here. Did y'all enjoy this one? You feel me? Was it informative? What y'all think, man? Yeah, man. Dog come from far, man. You know, living a good lifestyle. Got a good girl by his side. You know what I'm saying? Got money and got the girl. Well, you know what I'm saying? The man did great. The man did good in the life. Good shit. Big up yourself, Popcaan. Big up yourself, unruly boss. You see me? You deserve it, man. Yeah, man, guys, so let me know what you think about that one. You enjoyed that one? Let me know in the comment section. You see me? We'll go ahead and chop it up. You see me? And discuss it. You see me? Any fun facts you know about Popcaan? Any fun facts you know about any video we do? Drop in the comment section. Let's chop it up. Put me on game, man. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man. So we enjoy that one. The trench tales. Keep doing your thing, man. I hope y'all come out with more videos and we can get to react to it and talk and discuss it, man. I hope y'all enjoyed this video when I drop it. You know what I'm saying? Definitely the like button. Show your boys some love and support. It's free, guys. You see me? Hitting the like button is free. Don't charge you nothing. Don't cost you anything. And it help me out. Help me grow. And all that. So go ahead and hit the like button. The subscribe button. Share the videos. All that type of stuff, man. And drop a request. Whatever request, I'll definitely get it done, man. You see me? And you go get your shout out and all that stuff, man. So yeah, man. And tonight we're going live, guys. So look out for that. We're going live. We're going to have some fun. So stay tuned. Yeah, man. We in this bitch. You know what I'm saying? You don't know, guys. Till next time, your boy Jambisco. I was hearing that banger. Take care of yourself and each other. Next time, love, guys. I'm out.